welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing this pressure pot from Instapot, and I ordered it off Amazon, as you can see here. Let's unbox it. Ta-da! Okay, so here it is the Instapot Duo Plus multi-cooker. So the reason I got this particular one is because it's a pressure cooker and a rice cooker at the same time, and then it has other functions which I'll tell you about in a bit, but let's unbox it first. Alright guys, so this is the packaging. It says here Instapot Duo Plus multi-cooker. So these are all the little bits and bobs. This red, I think it's a seal, obviously the manual, the cable. Alright guys, so we're going to figure out how to work this together. So it says here there's a lock and an unlock function, right? So I think if I do this I can't pull it open, but when I turn it to unlock, voila! And I forgot to show you guys, so this is the one with the whisper quiet technology, right? So when it releases the steam, it's not going to be as noisy as a regular pressure pot, because why? Whisper quiet. So I think it has a mechanism by which, I don't know if this can open, I don't want to break it. Yeah, it can open. So apparently the steam kind of goes through here and then comes out through this vent, so it makes it less noisy. You're gonna hear it, but it's less noisy. Anyway, this is our pressure pot, and as you can see, I've not set it up, but let's do that together. So take out all this packaging. So this is the stainless steel pot which comes with it. And as I said, it's 5.7 liters, and then this is the base, if you can see the inside, and obviously so that goes down. If you're going to do like chicken, or in my case moi moi, then I can put this as a base, right, and then put my moi moi in there and then let it cook. So then you can close it. I'm not sure how to close this, but let's see. So to lock it, then just and Instapot inner pot with ceramic non-stick coating. As I said guys, the first one is the stainless steel. You guys can see that here. The first is the stainless steel, right? And I wanted another option, and that's the reason I got the non-stick one. So here's what it looks like, and I think it's the same size. I think it's 5.7 liters also. Let's see if it closes. Perfect. So guys, I actually recommend getting the two inner pots, because then you're gonna have options to be able to cook with a non-stick inner pot or with a stainless steel inner pot. Really, options are nice. I think it's gonna make a sound. We're good. And what does it say? It says ready, which is good. Let me try unlocking and locking back. Apparently to make a, so that says it's open and it's locked. So there's a button here to kind of let off like a great amount of steam before you open it up, so you don't burn yourself. So coming to the controls guys, you can see here pressure cook, slow cook, rice, steam, saute, yogurt, sous vide, cake. And then all you literally need to do is to press start. There's nothing in it right now, so I'm not gonna do that. That's our pressure pot guys. What do you think? Are you gonna get this or not? And are you gonna get the extra pan that comes with it? That's this non-stick pot. Are you gonna get it or not? I feel like it's a very great option. So yep, so I'm gonna try it out, try out different recipes with it, and then obviously come back here to let you guys know what the results are, what the verdict is. Are you gonna buy this or not? I think Instapot is a very known brand, and I've seen lots of reviews on it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel to get more content like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.